As a public defender, Judge Karen fought for her client's rights. She was elected to the bench because she believes in doing the right thing.
I'm very passionate about helping people, period. But at what point are you gonna resolve the resentment? At some point, you need to be the one going through something.
Objective, independent justice.
You can always turn your life around. If you keep walking, you can overcome whatever circumstances you're facing.
This is Supreme Justice with Judge Karen. Arnold Loomis is suing his former tenant, Victor Phillips, in the amount of $1,595. Mr. Loomis claims Mr. Phillips posted negative reviews before moving out and says it cost him rental income. Mr. Phillips is countersuing for $350.
Mr. Loomis, you are suing Mr. Phillips for $1,595, is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And this represents a defamation case.
Well,
defamation, slander.
It's related to that. It represents a month of lost rent, which I lost as a result of the slander of him bad-mouthing me to other prospective tenants.
And you have countersued for medical bills.
That is correct.
How do you know each other?
He was my tenant for 1 year, ending on the end of May this year.
Okay. All right. What is this, a house, apartment?
It's an apartment complex with 6 units.
Okay.
And
so you were renting an apartment?
I was renting an apartment, yes.
Okay. What, it was a 1-bedroom, a studio?
It was a 2-bedroom. I had a roommate.
Okay, 2 bedrooms. And you lived in the building too?
Yes, I lived there as well.
Okay. And you were paying $1,595?
That sounds about right, yes. It should have also included the temperature, in my opinion.
The temperature?
Yes, the temperature was too cold for me.
Okay, so how many units are in the building, sir?
There are 6 units.
There are 6 units. And each unit doesn't control its own air?
No, it is a centrally controlled heating unit.
The building heats and cools every unit?
Yes, and so anything I would be doing to him, I'd be doing to myself.
Okay, how long, you lived there less than a year?
I lived there about a year, yes.
About a year. Well, your other tenants, your 4 other tenants, how long have they been tenants?
About 10 years.
Okay.
I've owned the property for 20 years since my parents passed.
Okay.
It was owned by my father, who passed it on to me.
And he operated it as a rental apartment, and you took over that. Okay. So did you have complaints in the past?
No, I never did. That's right. And in fact, I have a witness, his former roommate of all people, who will attest to the fact that the apartment was fine, that he's, I don't want to, I'm not qualified to tell you.
I'll hear
but
from
she'll tell you her opinion about what's the real reason
I'll hear from your witness in a minute. Okay. So what is the $1,595?
That is 1 month's rent. The fact is that as soon as I heard that he and Miss Lexi Jordan was going to be moving out because she was going to be moving in with her boyfriend at the end of the lease, I did the usual procedure. I put I put it on the market again. The leasing company that I work with was immediately went to work on that, and I just kind of assumed that there wasn't going to be an issue because there never has been in the past. I have the past leases to show.
Okay, so why are we here for the $1,595? Why are we here?
When it came to like 2 days from the end of the lease, I expect that's when we'd be getting ready for the new tenants to move in.
Right.
I'm informed by the leasing company.
Don't tell me what somebody told you who's not going to tell me that themselves.
Okay, I learned about the slanders, including the Facebook posts.
Okay, so you learned
the things that
he was making slanderous remarks about you on Facebook.
Yes,
Let me see the post.
And also to the people when they came in to view the apartment.
Okay. Are those people going to be witnesses? You got anybody that's going to say, yeah, he told me bad stuff about you, or no?
Yeah, the Lexi Jordan, his roommate.
Okay,
she was there when the apartment was being shown off.
Okay, so so Victor.
Yes.
What was the problem with you in this apartment?
The problem for me is that I had to go to the emergency room 3 separate times because of I got sick from being in the coldness of the apartment. You see, I'm originally from New York, so I don't think. I think I have an opinion on what is cold weather and what's not cold weather. Right. You see, I used to live in the cold, and I never got sick over there.
Right.
I moved to Chicago for 6 years ago, and I've been living with Mr. Loomis for about a year, and even when I was in Chicago, I never had an issue with the court. I never got sick.
Okay,
It's
so
only,
but you went to, in the span of all that time you lived there, you went 3 times?
3 times, yes.
And what are the dates?
The dates are March 21st,
Okay.
January 1st, and February 15th.
What do you do for a living or whatever?
Oh, I work from home.
Doing what?
I'm a Minecraft YouTuber.
You're a what?
I do YouTube videos on Minecraft.
Do you know what that is?
No, I don't.
What is that?
I make entertainment for a platform.
For other people?
For other people to watch, yes.
Oh, okay. You make good money doing this?
Not enough to eat that well, but
Oh,
enough
okay.
to pay bills.
Pay this bill by yourself and not have a
Yes.
roommate kind of thing. Because you posted this on Facebook about, oh my God, if you see this apartment for rent, don't rent there because you're always going to be frozen.
Nothing what I said was untrue.
Well, the other problem I have is, who is Victor Phillips that anybody even saw this? Who is he? It's not like he put an ad in the paper or something, or was running something, ads on cable TV.
That's true, but you notice it provoked somebody else to call me a slumlord, which is,
Right.
to me, vicious
That's
slander.
one of his friends.
And it's literally a building
But
I
it's
live
one
in.
of his Facebook friends responded and said, just what the city needs, another slumlord. This is it? Just this one thing here?
That and
Let
the
me hear
stuff that
from
my
the
witness
roommate.
will tell you
Let
about.
me hear from the roommate.
Coming up on Supreme Justice.
Why were y'all together? Was this a love affair or just a roommate?
No, no, no,
Absolutely
no.
not.
She's not my
No,
type.
no, 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 no.
He's not your type
I'm too
either.
good for her.
Anyways,
And later,
Why weren't y'all talking?
Because she has a deadbeat boyfriend, Your Honor.
Right.
And the only reason why he's with her is because she's a TikTok dancer.
if you'll be in the Los Angeles area and want to bring your case to court, call 1-888-552-6878. You're watching Supreme Justice with Judge Karen. Supreme Justice is back with the case of Arnold Loomis, who is suing Victor Phillips for $1,595.
What's your name?
Lexi
what?
Lexi Jordan.
So I hear that you were roommates with Victor.
That is true.
How long were y'all roommates?
About a year, a really long year.
Why were y'all together? Was this a love affair or just a roommate?
Absolutely
No,
not.
no, no,
Absolutely
no.
not.
She's not my
No,
type.
no, 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 no.
He's not your type
I'm
either.
too good for her.
Anyways, we met at Second City. It's a pretty well-renowned comedy club in Chicago.
Okay, all right. You were there to see somebody performing comedy?
No, no, no. We were taking classes there, actually.
To be comedians?
Yeah, to try to be.
Is that what you're aspiring to be a comedian?
It was a recreational activity.
Oh, okay, because it wasn't serious.
Just a hobby.
Right, because you're not going to be a comedian, are you?
No, he's not.
And you either, right?
Well, no, not
You're
right now.
Okay, right. So what do you do to make money?
I work at New Wave. It's a little coffee shop in Logan where I live now.
Okay. So tell me about, what was it like living with Victor?
Oh my God, where do I even start? He's the most unhealthy person I've ever met in
Okay,
my
like,
entire
tell
life.
me, don't give me conclusions. What did he do?
Yes, he eats pizza every single day. I've never
New
seen him
York.
touch a vegetable. I'm talking. Have
Victor,
you
do you
ever?
eat pizza every day?
Most days, yes.
Most days? 7 days, 6 days out of 7?
3 days a week.
How many?
3.
3. What about those other 4 days?
Other fast
Fast
foods
food?
I can
Okay, so you
afford.
only eat fast foods?
Essentially, yes.
What else did you see him do?
He never leaves the house. I mean, he works from home at his job that he has.
Right. And he never went out?
No, Your Honor.
What do you mean never went out? Like we would go days without going outside?
I mean, I have a job and I would come home and he'd still be there. and
Right. Did
wake
you
up
go
and still be
outside,
there.
Victor?
I didn't have the time.
Right. So how many days would you go without going outside?
It would be a few days, yes.
A few days without going outside? Okay. Anything else?
Sure, yeah. I mean, he's a huge hypochondriac, so he...
What do you mean he's a hypochondriac? That's a conclusion.
Sure. Well,
Did you
complains
run
to
some
me-
tests just because he complains about his health?
No, I didn't, but he goes to the ER like it's clockwork.
Oh, so
okay?
he goes to the ER all the time.
Oh, yes, yes.
How
Your
many
Honor.
times did he go to the ER while y'all were living together?
I don't know. I think he has 3 statements.
Right.
But
But how many times did you know him to go to ER? Let me ask you, how many times did you go to ER in the last year?
I wasn't keeping track, Your Honor.
Is that many times? Let me see, how many times did I go last year? None. How many times did you go to ER?
I didn't go either.
Not one. So how many times did you go, Victor?
I lost track. So
It's just like
10?
with all the money that he could be
12
spending.
times?
between 10 and 20.
Okay. All right. So what do you know about this slander?
I had come home from work a couple of times early, and we had new tenants touring the apartment.
Right.
And he was just bad-mouthing it and talking
Right.
about all the facilities that didn't work, and it's mostly the...
Right. Did things not work there?
I never had these mystery illnesses.
Like what? No, but he says things didn't work. Was there
Sure.
things that didn't work there?
He complains mostly about the central heating, and
Right.
I never had any issues with that.
Did you hear him complain about anything else that didn't work?
He complains about everything,
Right.
in his day-to-day as well.
Right.
He's-
Like what?
He's like the type of person you don't want to go to a restaurant with.
Right.
You know, nothing's hot enough, this is too this has too much salt, this is too...
She probably wasn't cold because she was drinking wine all the time every time she was home.
I don't really see how that's relevant.
Did she drink a lot?
Every time she's home, yes.
Well, wasn't she home every day?
No.
She didn't come home every day.
No, no, she did not. She probably was staying with her boyfriend at some times.
Okay. You haven't proven to me that he prevented you from getting a tenant. I need to hear from a person that said, you know what, I was going to rent your place, and then I talked to this guy, and I decided I'm not going to rent this place. Or a bunch of people that said they saw Victor Phillips, who is he, doesn't even leave the house and only does is eat fast food every day, say, don't come live in this apartment. I can't believe you wasted your time or my time with this lawsuit. Let's talk about your countersuit.
Yes.
We can't even tell how many times we've been to the emergency room. Okay, ready to go? Because I'm ready to rule. Both cases are dismissed. Good luck to you.
All rise.
Judge Karen has ruled. Both claims have been dismissed.
I still am disappointed that I'm going to end up losing that month of rent permanently because of him.
Whenever you get a negative review on Amazon, Amazon doesn't sue you, so I don't know why he was suing me.
Coming up,
I was driving to a performance that ran late.
What kind of performance?
I'm a famous TikTok dancer.
She's a stripper.
Did she take her clothes off?
She does take her clothes off.
you're watching Supreme Justice with Judge Karen. Tiffany Spears is suing her sister, Alexis Spears, in the amount of $10,000. Ms. Spears claims she was in a bad car accident and says the crowdfunding money that was raised by her sister isn't being used to pay the bills.
Ms. Spears, I've read your pleadings. You're suing your sister, Alexis, for $10,000. We're representing money that she collected on your behalf from GoFundMe.
Back in February, I was involved in a very bad car accident. I was driving to a performance that ran late.
What kind of performance?
I'm a famous TikTok dancer.
You're a
So
famous dancer?
Yes, famous dancer.
Okay.
Famous TikTok dancer.
You
So
know her?
She's a stripper.
She's a stripper?
Yes.
Why do you call her a stripper?
She strips.
Does she take her clothes off?
She does take her clothes off.
When you say she takes her clothes off, does she take everything off? Is she naked? Do they
She's
allow
not
that on
naked.
TikTok?
They don't allow that
She's
on
not
TikTok.
naked.
Right.
She has on.
She's an exotic dancer, I
Yes,
think is what they
she's an
call
exotic
her.
dancer.
Okay, so you're an exotic dancer?
I'm a dancer. I'm a professional, famous TikTok dancer.
Right, famous to who?
Everybody knows me. Ask about me.
Do you know her? Because you say everybody.
Everybody.
Does anybody in the audience know her? No? Okay, all right.
Sorry to hear that.
Right. And then something happens. You end up in a car accident?
Yeah, I fell asleep behind the wheel, very tired. I got into a really bad car accident where I broke both my legs.
And so what happened when you found out she had this bad car accident?
Mind you, I haven't talked to her in so long before
What
the
you
car
mean?
accident.
Before the car accident?
Yeah, we
okay,
hadn't
but you
spoken.
needed help though. You needed somebody to come in and help
Yes.
you, right?
Yeah, I
Yes.
have a boyfriend. I have a
Did
best
he come in
friend.
to help you?
No.
What about all these people that knew you? Did any
Exactly.
of those people say, let me come in and help?
Not a lot of people knew about the car accident right away.
Right? Well, as famous as you are?
The first thing they thought to do was contact my sister, who was not around for a long time.
And what did you do?
I rushed there immediately. Yes, it's true. She's
Right.
telling the truth. I haven't spoken to her in like 2-3 months
Right.
prior to the accident.
Right. Why weren't y'all talking?
Because she has a deadbeat boyfriend, Your Honor.
Right.
And the only reason why he's with her is because she's a TikTok dancer.
So you set up a GoFundMe page.
I did.
Okay. And how much money did you raise on her behalf? Must have been millions of dollars. She's so famous.
No.
She's so famous. I know you're going to tell me you raised millions of dollars for her.
No, Your Honor.
How much did you
It was a little
get?
over 60,000.
60,000. That seems like a lot of money too.
Yeah.
So you raised $60,000.
Yes.
What, did your boyfriend try to raise money for you?
He did.
Or how much did he raise?
$500.
$500. Wow.
Coming up,
Is your best friend here?
Yes.
What's her name?
Alexis.
What's wrong with you?
Wait a minute. Aren't you Alexis?
I'm Alexis Spears.
I think that you had some brain injury.
you're watching Supreme Justice with Judge Karen. Supreme Justice is back with the case of Tiffany Spears, who is suing her sister, Alexis Spears, for misappropriation of funds.
So why did you bring this lawsuit?
Because the money is not going towards my medical bills. Not all the money that she raised is going
She's
towards
lying.
my medical bills.
Okay, so you have some medical bills that are unpaid?
Yes.
Let me see. You don't have any bills?
I have bills.
You
I
got
have
bills?
everything.
Let me see
Everything
some
is
bills.
itemized, Your Honor.
Right. Well, you just came in here with a copy of the
You
GoFundMe
can take
page.
the whole
What other
thing.
evidence you got
Everything
on
is
this
in there.
side?
I
Thank
didn't get
you.
any more evidence.
You don't have any more evidence? All right, so $60,000. Okay, then you had emergency rescue bill was $10,750. That got paid.
Well, she has a very minimal insurance.
She had some
Her
insurance.
copay was $10,000.
Okay, so that came out. I see that.
Yeah.
And then the personal medical assistance, what's that? $16,950.
Well, I hired a CNA to help her
You
out.
had a aide helping you?
I did.
I'm sorry. She's living with you during her rehabilitation?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Is that right?
Yeah, my time living with her was terrible.
It was just horrible living there. You had some. You had a
Stability.
CNA and everything.
No type
Your
of,
Honor.
no, I didn't have no type
What
of
was
care.
so bad about living with her? Where was your boyfriend anyway?
She
Nowhere.
wouldn't let nobody come visit me.
She wouldn't let him come
no,
see you?
not nobody.
Why
Nobody
wouldn't
could
you
come
let
visit
him
me.
come see her?
When I was in the hospital, she let them know that because he's not a family member, he could not visit me.
There's a bill here from a physical
She has
therapist
amnesia,
for
Your Honor. I don't know if
$2,800.
she hit her
Did
head
you
in the-
have some sort of head injury
Yes,
during the
she did.
accident?
Everything was messed up when I got
Well,
into a
maybe
car
your
accident.
head was messed up.
Judge Karen's verdict when Supreme Justice returns. You're watching Supreme Justice with Judge Karen.
For how many months was she with you? 5 months?
2 months.
Then she went back to her boyfriend.
She kicked me out.
Yes. No.
How'd you get kicked out?
My best friend came to visit me. She seen that my living area was trash.
Best friend here?
Yes,
Okay, let me hear from the best friend. What's
They're
her name?
both lying.
What's her name?
Alexis.
What's wrong with you?
Wait a minute, aren't you Alexis?
I'm Alexis Spears.
I think that you had some brain injury.
Her name is.
I think that you got bigger problems
I
than
think
you know.
so too, Your Honor.
I'm not there.
You're not
I'm
there
not
at
all
all.
there. No.
You're not there, and I'm not there with you. Okay? You said you were here suing because you had some bills, and you didn't even show me what your bills are.
She has all the
No,
bills.
no,
I'm suing
no.
her.
She didn't sue you. You sued
Yeah,
her.
I'm trying
Thank
to
you.
sue
No,
her.
ma'am, you're supposed to come in here. You look real pretty today. You got all dressed up, put on your false eyelashes, and came in here. You should have brought some evidence. And you don't have any evidence. I'm ready to roll. Judgment for the defendant. Good luck to both of you.
Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
rise.
Judge Karen has ruled in favor of the defendant. The plaintiff's claim has been denied.
She can't remember anything, but I'm glad I won, and I'm just happy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm very upset how this went. Very upset.
This has been a production of Allen Media Group.